I just recently ordered these Feit electric LED smart lights that are color changing from Costco. They come in 4 packs and I paid $70 per pack. I have another room that I'm going to put the other two in, but I wanted to go over some of the shortcomings and some of the things I liked about them. I thought installing these was very easy. It's just a standard retrofit can light, and these are actually smaller depth-wise than the ones I took out, which were also from the same company, but they were just regular LEDs. It was also easy to get it set up with working with Alexa. This room is set up on a 3-way switch. One of the switches is a dimmer, which is the proper LED CFL dimmer. I do notice when I turn the power down or the dimming down on it, these lights do tend to flicker, and you can't really go as low as the other standard LED lights that I had in here before. You are able to dim in the app, but I don't think that's always going to be convenient, or you can tell your smart device to dim them for you. I did also notice when turning these on and off, there seems to be about a second delay before they actually turn on. The other lights I had were instant. Alexa, turn my living room lights to red. With using your smart device, you can only change the lights to solid colors. You can't make them rotate colors. You have to do that through the Feit Electric app. And another thing to keep in mind is when these are in like a color mode, they're maybe 20% as bright as when they're in like an all-white mode. In their app, you'll have to create a group if you have multiple lights. And I didn't see this written out anywhere, but when you go to use the color changing modes or trying to change the colors, you actually have to hold down on the icon instead of just tapping it. If you tap it, that's just on and off. So you'll see this screen here, and then you hold down and it'll take you to this color mode screen. And the only good fade effect I think there is the one on the right. So I selected the fade effect, but you'll notice that not all of my lights actually changed. There's still one that didn't change, so I had to click it again to make them all go back. I've noticed this a few times with not all the lights changing, or I've had them turned off through my smart device and I've come back and had them on. These are the same wattage and same brightness as the other lights I used to have, and I think when they're in white mode, it seems like they're exactly the same. Let me know in the comments if you've had any issues with these or you have any tips for me. I'll also put an Amazon link, so if you're interested in them, you can purchase them. Thanks for watching.